The echoes of my past ripple louder than my thoughts.
You're not enough. Work harder. Change your life.
Constantly running, my vision fading to what truly matters. Unable for action, inflicted by the shadows of the past. Trading passion for duty, until duty causes fainting. So here I stand, in the mirror of my failures, staring at a stranger.
You're a failure. Just quit.
Feeling like a tiny tree in an endless forest, desperate for a ray of light. I will dissolve the shadows of my past until the day I rediscover who I truly am. Until the day I wake up curious again. Until the day I will see a path paved not by fear, but by courage to begin anew.